Hi guys, I am back with another vlog. Wow, that was an intro. Exciting day today. We are shooting content. We are shooting pictures, some content for Instagram. Guys, this is Paula. If you're looking for a photographer in LA, she's the best. She's amazing. I'll put all her info in the description box and you should shoot with her because her pictures are the best. So Paula decided to set up a whole mood for us over here, and she's got some, what is this, baby's breath?
Yeah, baby's breath.
I'm not sure what we're doing with it, but we'll see. I switched up my makeup a little bit, my hair, changed outfits. We're going for like a very soft, romantic,
modern renaissance.
Modern renaissance. We'll see how it goes. I think this is okay. Guys, we got it. We got the shot. We got the shot. Are you seeing this? I'm sorry, but this is so pretty. When everything comes together, the hair, the makeup, the outfit, the lighting, the setup, the vibes, the camera trickery. It's so pretty. When you guys see these on my feed, make sure you leave a comment about that you are coming from the vlog. Change the hair, change the makeup, change the outfit, change the location again. But we're really trying to like get this natural lighting vibe, and I love how it turned out. Give you guys like a little sneak peek. Really pretty, kind of like more of a beauty shot, more of a portrait shot. I like always mixing it up a little bit. We're definitely starting to get a little bit hungry. Are you hungry?
A little bit.
I'm starving. So we're gonna push through, do another look, and then probably call it a wrap.
Yeah.
Okay. We decided to take a little food break, so we're at Gelson's. We're gonna get something to eat and then shoot some pics while we're here too. Okay, we're calling it a wrap for today. Paula's going through some of the pictures. What do you usually look for when you're doing this? Do you just like pick your favorites, or?
Yeah, I like instantly can tell.
She has a very good eye, so she could just like tell which ones she likes. You know, when you're looking at pictures of yourself, we're all our worst critics, so we tend to be like, I don't know, maybe I shouldn't say we, but I tend to be way more critical because I feel like everyone's like that, really. Like, you look at a picture of someone else, you're like, oh my god, you look amazing, and then they look at it, they're like, I look fat or whatever, right? So it's always nice to have someone else look at the pics because they have more of an objective eye. Also, just to show you guys, this is reality of what it really takes to get a good picture. So when we went to go grab a little something to eat, we took a few pics in the car. Look how many pics we took, you guys. Wow, I can't. Oh my god, it's still going and going and going. Yep. Good morning, guys. It's actually totally not good morning. It's good afternoon. It's probably like around, it's 2 o'clock. So today I'm doing something a little bit different. This is something I haven't actually told you guys about. Last year, around the same time that I started Six Beauty with Nat, I also started another side project, which is an agency. I see so many amazing, talented artists out there and other beauty influencers, and I look at their content, I'm like, oh my god, this person's amazing, and I can see them growing and being like one of the best. So it gave me the idea, instead of me always being in front of the camera, I would love to be able to like pass on everything I've learned to up and coming beauty influencers and help them grow their brand, grow their platforms, all of that. So I started an agency with one of my best friends. Her name is Chantel. The agency is called The Care Group. I'll leave a link in the bio and below in case you guys want to check it out. So the reason we called it The Care Group is because there's a million agencies out there. I've been with so many agencies in my career, and the one thing I notice is that they just kind of treat you like a dollar sign and they don't really care. And our whole thing is that we wanted to do something different. We really care about our talent. We really care about the influencers we work with. So Anyways, that's a very long explanation. So other than doing my own content, I also help manage a lot of other up-and-coming talent, beauty influencers, and one of them, her name is Beauty by Sarah. I'll also link her info below. She's doing a shoot today with Patrick Ta Beauty. It's kind of like a get ready with me shoot. I'm going on set with her to support her, take some behind the scenes content for her, and just kind of give you guys a glimpse of another part of what I do for work. So I'm on my way to the shoot now. You guys will get to meet Sarah. It's gonna be fun. Welcome back, guys. We are back again with another day with Paula. So we're shooting again today and we're being creative. This is our little situation right now. We're trying to make fake shadows. So we took this palm, taped it to the door so it can give us this effect. How cool is that? So we're just gonna have some fun. For makeup, I don't know if you guys can see because it's so bright. I did really soft, like a lot of highlight, very flushed lip, flushed cheeks. I'm gonna add some shine to my shoulders and the collarbone. I did these cute little earrings. I don't know, I thought they were a nice little touch. We're going for very soft romantic again, which I feel like we kind of did that last time, but with a different type of light. Yeah, we're going for more island girl. Island girl. So that's the inspo, and let's see how it goes. Okay, this is what we got so far, you guys. So we're liking the vibe. Let me show you a couple more. We're liking the vibe, but we're not 100% there yet. So we're gonna tweak a little. We need to do a little switch up. Paula's sweating, and we're now using a ladder.
There. Hold it. Look like, oh my God, got it.
All right, guys, let's see what we got. We got it. Yeah. Yes, love these. Oh my God, so pretty. Okay, success. Ooh, that was pretty too. We decided to venture out. We're gonna try to find a location that has kind of a cement background, and we're gonna take a couple of outfit pics, and then we are done for the day.
Yeah.
Let's see. Fun, cheerful. Ooh, I love these. Okay, we are done. That's a wrap. Hello. It's been a while since I vlogged. I'm actually editing this vlog. I realized that I didn't end it, so I just wanted to add a little ending. I'm gonna try to be way more consistent. I love you guys. Thank you for always just sticking with me even through the quiet times, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Leave me a comment, please, and I'll see you guys again soon.